na ni Arwin. Ha? Okay? Take your chances outside. Okay? Oh, let's go, let's go. Ako muna, ha? Si Derek. At saka si Arwin. Yung tatlo naka-deny. Ronnie, Ayon, at JC. Tataguhin nyo yan.
35 seconds remaining time. 71-69 in favor of Bactar. Both teams, no more timeout.
Ronnie,
Both teams,
Ronnie.
2 team fouls. 2 team fouls for both teams. Both teams, no more timeout.
JC ka lang.
4-point lead for
Okay,
Bactar,
Ayon.
73-69. 15
Okay, Arwin.
seconds remaining time.
Flasher ka lang. Worst case, flasher. Para pagkuha mo, face basket, Arwin. Okay, first option. Kahit sino dito sa dalawa. Pagpasa, at least nandiyan pa si Arwin, pwede pa rebound. Kung shoot. Kung tumira, at least nandiyan si Arwin.
Quick foul tayo, mag-shoot.
Pag